Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I am Sumana. We can set health goals like goal setting in other areas of life to improve our health. For example, exercise goal, the goal of how many steps to walk, or drinking very little water, but knowing that you should drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water a day, you can set such a goal. Setting a goal and achieving it little by little, what else? Goal should be SMART, i.e. specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound. Specific means that what you want to do is well defined. Suppose you do weight management, you have decided to reduce 12 kilograms weight in a healthy way. For that you are starting to make a diet plan of specific calories with the counseling of a nutrition expert. Measurable means that your goal can be measured, such as how many kilos of weight or how many calories to eat or how much exercise a day, then it will be convenient for you to achieve it. Achievable, i.e. set such a goal that it is achievable even if it is a little challenging. Realistic means that the sky does not become a yellow fantasy. Lose 10 kilos in a week, never set this goal, the goal will not be achieved, either you will be disappointed, or you will get sick. Time bound, i.e. always put a date with your goal, by when, for example, you can set a goal of losing 4 kilos in a month and lose 12 kilograms of weight in 3 months to achieve your right BMI. And you can celebrate by reaching that goal, not without eating, but by gifting yourself a new dress. Goal setting and achieving that goal should be a habit. One day he walked in such a way that he could not walk for 3 days because of pain in his feet. Target should be increased little by little. Set a small target in the beginning, achieve it and gradually increase the target. Regularly, i.e. making a routine, such as when to walk every day, when to exercise, to track your own progress, that is, even if your walking speed is low in the beginning, slowly increasing it. Persist. For a few days, don't give up saying, nothing sucks. Be disciplined, be accountable to yourself, you know best if you are cheating or not. Thinking of the solution without looking at the problem, for example, it is very normal to have pain after exercising on the first day, it is also normal to be afraid to exercise the next day, but exercising again is the only way to overcome this pain. Again, while doing weight management, it is normal to feel hungry in the beginning, drink some water, see if the hunger is satisfied, if not, then you can eat something low calorie, healthy like cucumber, but please don't give up saying, weight management will not be done by me. Some healthy habits should be developed, such as collecting healthy, low-calorie recipes, learning the cooking process in a healthy way, learning the recipes of low-calorie, nourishing drinks, eating fruits and vegetables at least 3 times a day, etc. Goal achieved. If you go then. Set goals again. Life is a journey, reaching a place, stopping is not called life, right?